Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make chicken gravy recipe, and it is a new recipe for me and I like to share it with y'all. So while making the recipe I will show you the ingredients. I hope you all will like it. So come on, let us start the recipe. I have taken 1 kilo chicken, 1 pound tomatoes cut up, medium size 10 onions cut up, sliced up, ginger garlic paste, jeera powder, dhania powder, garam masala powder, bay leaves and some darchini, cloves, and this is green cardamom, mustard oil because I make all my curries in mustard oil, chili powder. So come on, let us make the recipe. Put some mustard oil. I will put this in. Oil is turned hot. Put the bay leaves. Put in the onions. Let the onions fry brown. Put in the salt. Put in the tomatoes. Put in the ginger garlic paste. The tomato has to fry nicely with the ginger garlic paste. You can see how I am frying it. Now I will put some turmeric powder, that is saffron. One spoon chili powder, 1 spoon dhania powder, 1 spoon jeera powder, 1 spoon garam masala powder. Fry the masalas nicely. The masalas are fried up well. Now I will put in the chicken. Now the chicken will leave water, so I will not mix water. I will put in some kasuri methi. I will cover it for a while and let the water dry up. You can see the chicken is dried up. Now I will put some water. I will let the chicken cook tender. I will add some coriander leaves also and cover it up till the chicken cooks tender. My gravy chicken is ready, or chicken gravy is ready. I kept thick gravy, you can see. Once it turns cold, it will turn more thick. I have taken out some chicken gravy chicken in the plate. So I am tasting the chicken, how it is made. Lovely, delicious. You all also try it. It's very yummy, very, very tasty. If you are new to my channel, if you like my channel, like my recipes, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you for watching my video.